Removing the front door panel of a third-generation Honda CR-V 2008. We'll start with this plastic cover. It's secured by 3 clips. Everything comes off by hand. Pull it up. Carefully, taking our time. Yeah, there's a fastener here, and 2 more here. Plus there's one on this side that attaches to this side. We removed the cover located in the handle. There are 2 more screws there. There's a small tab here. Like this one, that lowers down and pulls it up a bit. The easiest way is to press it down and gently push it down with a screwdriver, then pull it up. Then it comes off. We unscrewed 2 screws. Remove the cap on the handle. It's rubber, and if you pry it up a little on one side, it's completely rubber and soft. If you pry it up on one side, it comes off. Here we have 1 screw. Then, under the handle, there are 2 caps, each with 2 screws. Here's 1 screw under the cap, and another one below. On the cap, there's also a screw underneath that needs to be cut out. Take a thin screwdriver, carefully insert it. Pry it up, and it snaps out. We unscrew the screw. All the screws are Phillips head, and the bottom cap is for up. We pry it up and snap off another screw. Below. Basically, all the screws holding the card are now removed. The rest is all clipped in. It's easiest to start from one side, either this one or that, where the card will be easier to remove. And pull it off the clips. If you can't pry it off, use plastic spudgers. Don't be alarmed by the sound. It's a standard clip release. Basically, if you've never removed them, they might have lost some of their properties. But all these clips are consumables, so I recommend purchasing a kit right away. Links to all these consumables and clips will be in the description. The little screws and adapters are in the description. Once you've removed the clips, the card is loose. Now it just lifts up from its seat. Dock. Remove the card, holding it in place, and unfasten the handle here. There's a fastener with 3 pieces. Pull it away from the card. They're metal. Don't worry, they won't break. That's it, the handle is disconnected. Disconnect. The connector. There's a tab here. You need to feel it with your fingers. And pull it toward the door. Here's the latch. Yeah, there's a tongue at the bottom. You can easily feel it with your finger. That is, you press it with your finger and pull it in this direction. To the outside of the door, yeah, that's it, we've removed the card. Yeah, there it is. It's located on these clips, right?